Hi everybody, Nick Skiba here to show you this 2015 Lariat Sport package with FX4. This is a beautiful looking truck. It's white in color, crew cab, 5.5 foot box, EcoBoost 3.5, heated and cooled seats, and has a heated steering wheel as well. Here's our touchscreen. There's a heated seat you can see there. Dual zone climate control. Miles are 110,105. See that there. Hands-free phone, cruise control, power adjustable pedals, clean and straight body, good tires, tonneau cover, again that FX4 right there, locking rear end, bed liner, tailgate step, blind spot monitors, little scratch right there, looks like that'll come right off, nothing major. Oh, and look the seats up. Well, can't really show you that, can I? Take a look at the photos. Oh, it's got rear heated seats too. And voila! A beautiful next truck for you.